How long should I cook pasta sauce? I recently made pasta sauce, and every couple of minutes decided to add something more. More tomatoes, more pepper, more garlic. After that I let it sit on a small flame for a bit more. As a result, the sauce set in the pot for a fairly long time, 45 minutes at least. I asked my roommate if it's okay to leave it this long, and he said that the longer I leave it, the better it will come out. Is this true? Is patience a key ingredient to a perfect sauce? P.S. It really did come out great.
Yes, with any kind of stewing sauce, the flavor improves the longer you cook it, provided it's a slow, gentle process. The longer you leave it, the more chance the flavors have to marry. I have a recipe for a pasta sauce that calls for 6 hours of slow simmering. You may also have noticed in the past that leftover pasta sauce that you eat the next day is really good, for the same reason as above. Any stew, in fact, like bolognese, casserole, chili, bourguignon, etc., is really delicious when left overnight and reheated. It depends on the sauce and the result you want. Tomato-based sauces without meat can be really good when just cooked and no more. This way you get a fresh summery flavor that makes the most of good tomatoes with maybe just basil and garlic to give a fuller flavor. This also applies where any vegetables want to stay chunky. Cream or white sauces don't need to cook long either, and a pesto doesn't need cooking at all. A ragu, or other meat sauce, however, will almost certainly benefit from a longer cooking period depending on how hungry you are. By the way, Corsican beef, see link 1, is incredible if you have patience to cook it long enough. I'd recommend serving it with a really good quality large tube pasta. Too many people spend ages on the sauce and use cheap pasta.